Hi, my name is Sharice, and I am a craftaholic. One of the things I like to do is work with concrete materials and plaster materials to make these little figurines. On this particular video, just a short clip, I'm showing you that I have painted them using a color changing paint mixed with a metallic paint. Me discovering cement and plaster art helped me discover painting, and I really enjoy it. Trust me, I'm no artist. You couldn't pay me to take arts and craft or wood shop in school. But after many years of adulting and raising kids and working, this has really helped to balance me out. Better late than never. So, we're about to test out making some aroma bead, some car freshies. Here's the aroma beads, 1 pound. We've got our mica powders. Not sure of the color I'm going to use yet, but you'll see. I have 4 mason jars, 4 4-ounce mason jars. They are adorable. I have my weigh scale and all of the additional supplies, including the fragrances. These aren't my typical fragrances that I use in candle making. I purchased these from Michael's a while back, and I wanted to do these as testing fragrances because this will be my first time making car freshies. They smell good, but I probably won't use them again after this time. So this is basically part 2 or step 2 of the process. I added the fragrances and the mica powders, and these are the scents on top of the jars. I'm going to let these sit for about a week before I move to step 3. All my testers, this is how I do it. Sometimes I'll add the wicks, sometimes I won't. I had wicks in these, but I just scraped them all out or picked them all out, and now I'm just going to test it with different wicks. The purple one, that one is wicked perfectly, but I wanted to add some color. I wanted it to be like a light pink, like a light purple, so I just added some color to that one, so we'll see how it turns out. This one needs a strong wick because of the fragrance oil, so we're wicking up. This one had a nice wick in it. It's perfectly fine, but it fell and I had it double wicked, so I just melted it so I can put the wick back. This one is giving me a hard time because it's in a weird size and I don't want to use a wood wick, but I guess I'll have to. This one is giving me a hard time because it's in a cross between a large to medium, halfway medium large wood wick. I don't want to use 2 wicks, so I'd rather use a wood wick, so I'm trying to measure that one. But yeah, I can't just do one thing. I have to do them all at the same time. So here you go. And this stuff behind me, that's just dog food. Yeah. We added to their cooked food. So if you think, what is this weird stuff behind here? That's just dry dog food. But it's good dry dog food, but we mix it with wet food every day. In case you want to know. All right. Bye.